I previously teased about this recipe, which has become an instant and permanent favorite at my house. Today I'm going to show you how to make lacto-fermented curry chili cauliflower right after this. Zero out the mason jar on your kitchen scale. Add cauliflower to the jar. Pack the cauliflower as tightly as possible, but stay just below the neck of the jar. Add filtered water to the jar. Fill all the way up to the neck. Make a note of the total weight of the water and cauliflower. In this case, my weight is 1,799 grams. I want a 2.5% salt concentration, so I multiply my total weight by 2.5% to get the weight in salt I need to add to the water. Carefully pour the water from the mason jar into another container. Weigh out the salt as determined in the previous step. Add the salt to the water and stir until completely dissolved. You can heat up the water slightly to speed this up. Do not exceed 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Peel and crush 8 garlic cloves. Cut 4 dried red peppers in half. Add the garlic and dried peppers to the cauliflower jar. Add 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder. I split between regular and Mexican for a little extra kick. 2 tablespoons of turmeric and 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika. Whisk or stir the spices to mix them. Add the spices to the cauliflower jar. Add the brine to the cauliflower jar. Weigh down the cauliflower and tighten the fermentation cap. Shake vigorously to distribute the spices. You can use a regular lid, but make sure to burp it daily for the first couple of weeks to release trapped gas. I have included links to the weight system and lids that I use in the description below. If you aren't using a starter brine, let the cauliflower sit for at least 2 weeks before testing. The process usually takes 2 to 5 weeks depending on your taste preference. With a starter brine, the process takes about a week. If you make this recipe, please let me know in the comments and tell me what you thought about it. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you don't, do you even exist? I don't know. We'll explore that important question next time.